Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD launched statewide poster campaign at Khwairamband Imphal Keithel against Census move from April 1. Volunteers launched posters written "No NRC, no Census", "No IDP settlement, no Census", and "Lan loidring aida Census yeito'u". The poster campaign, which started today from Khwairamband Imphal Keithel, was led by JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba. Speaking to the media, Jitendra Ningomba said that any challenges will be faced if the government proceeds census before identification of illegal immigrants is completed. He further highlighted the current challenges in Manipur, noting that ongoing conflict has displaced a large number of people into relief camps and unable to move independently, adding that under such circumstances, the government must stop attempts to conduct census. He appealed to the public to support a campaign for a just process that protects Manipur's indigenous population and their political rights.
We are not against census, but just in the period of view, just and the people, Manipuri singi when a Kalakanda, I go in census key, Mayota, Akoi, Tabak Samson, Honabagi, Han, State Omaginamaka, Akoi Posaka, Bento Jobani, Lenga Paiba, Yogi, Kamsin, Momotana, Kandabiriga, census, Yetopul, Sumbani Habagi, Wahom the Lobio, Luna Lunana, Labiri, but one political party, Kudamunsu, high the census, Sigimatanga, Yam serious with this union, Kanbiriganda, Magi Tobayaba, Tabuk Tobio, Madu Togana Tumina Leva Habasi, Madu Leva Mosata, the Puramoy, Census Moruina, I quit Atuma, when the Buddha, illegal immigrants said, Look to Kramotunga, Census to view Habumsi, Lenga Pai was in a bit of Jerry. No NRC! No NRC! No NRC! Mitop Hana! Mitop Hana!